Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix the squeaking noise coming from the BMW E90 steering wheel. It's a very common problem on these BMW, and sometimes it can be fixed cheaply, sometimes it actually requires to change certain components and bearings in it. But I've done this on a few BMW 90s and it helped. Some of them it helped it for a good few months, maybe a year. On some of them it only lasted a couple of weeks, but it's worth a try. So basically what you have to do is remove this plastic cover. It goes in under here and it's only holding on 3 small hex screws like these. And then obviously you'd have to unplug any sockets or anything like that holding it. So you remove it, and then you get this rubber cover here. It goes all the way down like this. So, and then it just pops out. So you can pop it out and lift it up to get access to it, and then you can see the column there with the blue ring around it. Now, some cars have blue, some of them have white. The color doesn't really matter. And then you can see my one has actually a bit of grease on it, but it's still squeaking. And it's actually pretty stiff on it as well. If you can try to move it slightly, you can move it up and down. So basically you just get yourself a bit of lubricant spray. Now I used the WD-40 a few times and it did help. However, sometimes you might require a bit of a denser and a more solid kind of lubricant to lubricate it more. So you can actually hear. I'll show you what the squeak sounds like. I don't know if you can hear that, but at first when you're sitting in the car you'd think that it's coming from somewhere around the steering wheel, but actually it's not. And I'll try I don't know if you can hear it. Now see, it's actually, you can hear it, it's coming from there. But at first you'd always get an impression that it's actually somewhere around the steering wheel here. So then, yeah, you just get a lubricant spray and you spray it around that ring there. And then well, you'd have to spray it a good bit of it, make sure it soaks in through it. And then you just turn the steering wheel. Now, on some cars it does the result straight away, and some you might actually have to turn the steering wheel a bit more. But in a lot of cases it does help. As I said, could be temporary, could be for a while, but eventually you would have to get the bearings in them or the rings replaced. But again, it could give you a heads up in a way if you're just looking for a temporary repair, or you might actually last for a few years. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.